Let's start with the first opening. So first opening is as a threat hunting, okay, which wants someone with a SOC L1 position, okay, in Hyderabad, and MS Sentinel skills are actually preferred. And this email ID jobs@ISSS.org.uk, where you need to drop your resume and if you want to get hired. So if company feel like you're a good fit, then apply accordingly and you might get selected for the things. This is for the freshers as well. So fresher might consider your resume. Next opening is basically someone is looking for security engineer, which is in Dubai. So right now in Dubai, there's a lot of hiring. So security engineer is the position for what they are looking for, and client is banking. So most probably you'll be going to do audit of a bank, right? UAE based company candidate. Candidates should be like if you're from UAE itself, then you'll be getting more priority, right? And it's for immediate joiners, and you should have knowledge. You should have minimum 6 years of experience. Anti malware, EDR, XDR is something which is trending, and this is actually required. And this is actually endpoint solutions. So webmail, DLP, PAM, all these things knowledge is required. CS is compulsory. It's good plus point for you if you want to get. CompTIA security plus is must. So HR might mytech.com is the mail ID. Very good. Now next is someone is looking for senior security analyst. Company is Blue CFI Solution STN BST. So they want at least 3 years of experience, okay, with the security operations center. Mail ID, drop your resume. If you get such, you will get a reward back. Now the next company is someone is looking for SOC role, L1 engineer, 1 to 3 years of experience is required. Bangalore is the area where you need to work. This is mail ID where you can drop your resume. Harshita.d @alchematicsolution.com. Harshita.d is the mail ID. SOC L1 engineer is the position that's for they are looking for. SIM, EDR, PAM, DLP, DMARC, decryption technology, anti-APT, email anti-spam, forward US proxy. That's what knowledge is required. So monitor, detect, and response for the security incident is important. Okay, so hi Visu, thank you for joining. Troubleshooting and all those knowledge is required, right? So just apply accordingly. If you get selected, that's good. Now next opening is something where the 3 years of experience is required minimum. Serious security analyst is the position for what they're looking for. Okay, and this is mail ID. Okay, just drop your resume. Try to keep something related. Okay, if you get selected, you'll get a mail. And by the way, we are starting SOC training. SOC training of internship from program from next month. Right. So just apply accordingly. Next is someone Ajax network solution is looking for someone as a position of junior technical support engineer. It's in Ahmedabad, and this is the mail ID and this is the contact number. If you wants to apply, just drop your resume on this mail ID. If you have any questions, just you can call them, ask them whatever you want. So just read accordingly and apply as per. Next position is cybersecurity consultant is something someone is looking for as a vulnerability assessment pen testers. And you should have knowledge of infrastructure, cloud, network application, digital forensics. VAPT is the position for what they are looking for. Vulnerability management, incident response. Talent@embassysolution.com is the mail ID where you can apply. Next is someone is looking for tech defenders. Company name is tech defenders. Freshers can apply. Experienced person can apply. For those who have minimum 1 years of experience, they can apply for VAPT. And those who are freshers absolute, they can look for VAPT intern. BTech BSc is preferable. Location is Ahmedabad. It's on site. This is a mail ID where you can drop your resume. Next is associate security analyst. It's in Kratikal. Okay, and this is for freshers. Okay, those who have application pen testing, mobile API, and all those things required. Delhi NCR people can apply, and the work will be in Noida, as Kratikal office is in Noida. So mail ID is carry@kratikal.com is the mail ID where you can apply. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any question, please go ahead accordingly. I can answer.